You need to eat. Yes, so that you'll be ready for the exchange.
Because of our belly now, everything was soft.
My son, why are you doing this to me? All this time to me from doing
this. Wait! You are a bad man. You are an evil man. Are you sure you did not connive with your son to do this? You're asking me why am I doing this? On top $5 million. Have you made 5,000 naira in recent time? Talk of $5 million. This man, evil. You are oracle in nature. Madman, are you going to eat or not? Are you going to eat?
I will eat.
Imagine $5 million. They go to Obidin. Wicked man.
I'm okay. Thunder will fire you. You're okay.
Unknown caller.
Take your call. They take your call.
No. Welcome. Listen to me. Listen to me. Are you ready for the exchange?
What exchange?
You're asking me what exchange. Let me refresh your memory. The documents of all your assets and my $5 million. In 2 hours. And it has not happened. I will kill your father. Maybe I'm Belly.
Miko.
Are you mad? Quiet!
Listen to me, Gerard. Do whatever you wish with him. Okay? That's your business. I'll not give you a dime. Mark my words, not a dime.
Mike.
Honey? What did you just say? Your father? Honey?
Did you hear your son? Did you hear your son? I should be go. Eh? Did you hear your son? Hey!
In 5 days' time, you will be buried. That means I will never see you again in this life. Oh. All the promises you made, all those lovely promises you made to me, all gone with you. This is not what we agreed on, Obina. Obina, this is not what we agreed on. We said you and I will sit down and watch our sons wrestle each other while we clap and joke and drink wine watching them. Now you've gone forever. And to think that your killer is out there, walking freely, so disheartening. Very, very disheartening. Oh.
Unknown caller.
why are you still calling me?
Okay, this is the last call I will give you. Yes.
Few minutes. If you do not comply, I will kill your father and feed his carcass to the birds.
That's your business. Shoot him in the head. Did you hear me? Shoot him in the head. Forehead, one shot, the man dies. Any other thing? If it's not enough for you, you can pack my entire kindred and waste all of them. That's your business. One day I am not giving you a dime. I will not. Hear me? I have tasted wealth. I cannot go back to poverty. It's not possible. Now one man may become. Come on, no. Or come on there. Where's the man? Kill him to stop disturbing me.
Mike, you a devil. Mike, get a Lucifer. You are Lucifer's younger brother. You see? You don't have a child. Obviously. Did you hear him? Child education. Powder. Allow the woman to come and drink your palm wine free of charge on top somebody where no go baraguru. Imagine. Look at what he said. Did you hear him? He said I should kill you. Are you ready to die?
No, sir. No, sir.
Thunder fire you.
Yes, sir.
Thunder will fire you.
Yes, sir.
You're not ready to die. So that your son will eat my money and just go scot-free. Or the possible. And I can't believe him, I can't.
Please, I don't kill you.
My problem is that if I kill you, you are of no use to me. It is valueless.
Yes, sir.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
What shall it profit me to waste your life when I will not even get my money? It is of no use.
Yes, sir.
But if you are you sure you were not even the one who connived with your son to eat my $5 million? Are you not? Are you sure?
No, sir. No, sir.
If you talk that no, sir, again, thunder will fire you.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
I will release you.
Thank you, sir.
Thunder. Thank you, sir. You're saying thank you, sir. Because I'm about to free you and free my money for your son. Good man.
Yes, sir.
But uncle, I like Wandy before. I like him before. I mean, you know that the only problem between you and big go. Listen, tell your son that I will never rest until he pays everything he owes me. Everything, I mean, every dime of mine in his possession. I will not rest.
Yes, sir. I'm telling you.
I'm losing control. Somebody help me. Oh, well, I'm the nobody. Finally, I can gym. What was the ending nobody? Finally, I can film. Man, nobody believe when no guy say, Bube, I can gym. A banya cinema and the mother, I can film.
Mike! 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 Mike, come out! Come on! Mike! Come on, let's do this! Mike! 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 Come on, listen to this! Let us sit to this! Come on, Mike! 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 Mike, come on! Mike, come out! Mike! Mike! Mike, come out! Mike! Okay, I'll come back. I'll come back. This judgment day for you and your son, Mike. Hey, you, look here, you. Listen, I beg of you, don't shoot. I'll give you anything you want. Money, just name it, yours. I beg you. Take this message to my brother, Obina. Please. Tell him that I will not rest until his killer is brought to book.
This is war, I will fight it to the end. I will run into anybody who will block my way. As you see me at the vessel, somebody hold me.
Yes, I can hear you.
And then lose the control.
What?
My heart is broken.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hi. Hi.
What is it? Why are you shouting? What?
My father is dead.
Under this cotton sun.
I want to quickly get to Kafor's house to pay my condolence visit.
Condolence visit?
Have you not heard? Mazio Kafor is dead. His corpse was discovered early today.
What? Papa, are you sure of what you're saying?
Will I be lying with such a thing? Mazio could have called me now and told me this bad news. My son, I know that things are not getting well with you and Mike. But I want you to put all those behind you and pay him a condolence visit. Nobody wishes death for his fellow human being. Mazio Kafor, that just took you away. Just like that. Are you coming with me?
No, Papa. Maybe later. You can go.
Okay.
Brother, sorry, please. Be strong and be a man, okay? Take heart.
Okafor. Your father was a very good man. Whoever did this would not go unpunished. He said, he or she must meet his or untimely death. He said, my son, please take out.
Thank you, sir.
What's happening? Huh? I have been trying to reach you. Nobody has been able to get you on the phone. Your phone has been switched off. What happened?
I was busy taking care of something.
Something? For goodness sake, Gerald, what was so important that you couldn't let anyone know where you are? You got us all worried.
Sorry, baby. It won't happen again. Come on. Sorry, it won't happen again. Alright?
I was worried sick about you. I tried reaching you on the phone. I couldn't get you. And I got really scared.
Have you heard?
Heard what?
My ex-father is dead.
What? When did this happen?
No. His corpse was found this morning.
Oh my God.
My son, sir, thank you for coming to my rescue.
You're welcome.
I can't believe you paid off my debt. I am grateful. Thank you very much.
Thank you. God bless you.
Yes, thank you.
This thank you from right, left, and center is not necessary. You know, sir, it's very good to serve humanity. It's absolutely nothing. I did what I did for the sake of humanity. Besides, I'm a very good friend to this family.
Oh, yeah. And you are sure a good friend of the family.
Thank you, sir.
Girls, is he not a good friend to the family?
Very good friend. He is my friend.
Oh.
Girls, this is the kind of friend I want you to keep.
Oh.
He's sure a good friend of the family.
Yes. Very good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Lest I forget some. Yes. Sir. This is the sum of 100,000 naira.
Wow.
Yes. You can use it to buy foodstuffs for the family.
You don't mean it.
Yes.
All this for the family? Thank our good friend.
Thank you very much.
Come, you're welcome.
May God bless you. Thank you.
Amen, sir.
Papa, let me help you with it.
Oh, don't worry. It's safe here.
Baby, what is it?
Where is the rest of the money?
I have invested it. Maybe it is for us.
Odili, did you kill him? Huh? You killed him because he tried to kill you, right? Why did you kill the old man?
Baby, I don't understand what you're talking about. Kill who?
Ichi is dead. He was shot and was found dead by the roadside. Why did you kill the old man?
I don't know what you're talking about. What are you saying? I just did a transaction with him, period.
Then who killed him?
You mean he's dead?
Double-faced man, you are a pretender. You are a wicked soul, really wicked. Hey, Mike!
care about your father. But you know it's a lie. You can't fall for me. You cannot act like you care because I know you are lying. They might believe you, but I know you are your wife. You are wicked so, Mike. How? Look at you. It is you who gave them. Hello? You can kill him, I don't care. I don't care, kill him. Your own father is not a boy. You're not here crying, it's more like you care. You are crying. My father, who are you deceiving? It's not me. Mike, you are a bitter, so you are wicked. How dare you? You know what? Your father's blood is in your eyes. This hands now. Your father is there. That blood, drink it. Drink it, call the drums, dance. Celebrate his death now. Mike, do your worst now, dance. Come. Hey! You want to hit me? You want hit you? Hit me! Mike, hit me. What are you saying? Who am I? Come on, Uche. What about say? Come on, Uche. If you can kill your father, I'm nothing. Nah, I'm your item. Use me. Dini, this eye cannot do anything. Don't look at me. You can't do anything. It's not bullets. You cannot kill me. You cannot kill me. The wicked. You want me? Hey, Michael Okede. Michael Okede. Ha! Demon. Blood-sucking demon. You should be happy now. You have killed him. What more do you want? What do you want? Nah, I fear I will not fear you. Oh, it is me, the wicked. It is wicked. You are a wicked person. A person. Blood-sucking demon. Wicked man. Why drink his blood?
He is so mean. Oh, yeah, then I am. Imana obia jalan jalan obia dinaya mama obia dinaya mama jao obia dinaya mama you can do anything for the money obia dinaya mama there are friends who are friends and there are enemies they are unfriendly friends. Fabro melanin look what missing azul. They will smile with you, and you will think they are there with you. Before you know ya, let's say you're giving me he is so mean. Oh yeah, Imana obia jalan jalan obia oh daddy my mama
I'm sorry.
You can do anything for the money oh daddy my mama share this up for you.
Will your sorry bring back Papa to life?
I know you think I'm responsible for my father's death, but I'm not. In actual sense, I'm not. I didn't pull the trigger.
But you gave the go-ahead for the trigger to be pulled.
I've known Gerald since we were kids, right? And since we're this small, I didn't know he could do such a thing.
And you think your father's life is to be gambled with for you to know what Gerard is capable of doing? I need to breathe. I need fresh air. So, I'll be going for vacation first thing in the morning.
Another vacation? We just got back from one.
Anything for the money, oh yeah, soft for you, you dey soft for me. When I red, we dey watch our back. Now they buy luck, you dey buy data. Mona gine chakala, waiting for the beat. Now the color don't know. People let go away one night. I look at the mansion everywhere. Joy one man, get us a cozy. I he is so mean. Oh, yeah, I am. Oh, yeah,
I got your message. Crystal clear. You'll get my reply soon.
Hello, Mike.
So mean. Oh, yeah,
this guy.
There are friends who are friends, and there are enemies. They are unfriendly friends.
When will you be back?
When I find it cool to be around you. But for now, I don't know.
I need you around to help plan my father's burial.
Mike, your presence irritates me. Even as you speak to me now, I'm disgusted. When I'm coming off, we can talk about your father's burial. But for now, I need to go for my vacation. And immediately.
Somebody owe me, hey yo. Somebody owe me. I'm losing control. Somebody owe me, yeah. Somebody owe me. Oh well, and the nobody finally I catch him. What was the nandi nobody finally kiri I catch him. Man nobody believe when no guy say bube I catch him. Abanya cinema and the mother ne kili I catch him. E ma kansi kwado obi no wa gomna. This is war, I will fight it to the end, oh. I will run into anybody.
Go down. If you now, break your 2 legs. Oh. Get out. Get out. Hey, go back. Go back. If you now, I'll finish you. Go, come on, go.
Okay. What happened to you? Did anybody attack you?
He said some men came here and took Papa away.
I don't understand. What do you mean? You say? Yes,
but I think it's Brother Mike's boys. They came here and took Papa away.
What are you guys talking about now? Somebody came here and took my father away? How?
Gerald, calm down.
Huh?
Calm down.
Wait. Oh, yeah, Nollywood film.
No, it's not. It's not a joke.
Hey! Jesus. Somebody came here and took my father away. My father.
Calm down.
Wait, let me.
I'm trying to stop them. Look at my face.
Gerald, it's not there.
Somebody took my father. And you guys are saying it.
No, wait.
You couldn't do anything.
Gerald.
You didn't do anything.
I was trying to stop them. I was trying to stop them.
If it is to eat a part of apple, you will know.
Gerald.
But I was trying to stop them. That was when they hit me on my body.
Listen. It's not a time to shout.
Okay.
The right thing for us to do now is to go to the police station and make a report immediately.
Ah.
Yes.
Oh my God. Somebody took my father away.
Gerald.
Somebody took my father away. Police.
Gerald.
Police up where?
Gerald, just calm. Please. Listen.
Gerald!
Gerald!
Brother! Who is in this house? Mike! Okay. You guys. I'll talk to this guy. Oh, I got that. Mike! I know you're inside. You have kidnapped my father. You ate my money and then you kidnapped my father. Who told you I was the one who killed your father? Oh. I'm mad here. I'm mad here. Mike! I know you're in this house. You know, imagine, you ate my money. Upon that, you kidnapped my father. Who told you I was the one who killed your father? Okay. Don't worry.
I hear you make noise, you don't break your 2 legs. You hear me, so? I hear you speak. Come on, your face. Why do you look me at? Boss.
What have I done to deserve this treatment?
I'm only repaying your son with the same coin he paid me.
What are you talking about? You think my son killed your father? No. He is not capable of such daunting crime.
No, he is capable of kidnapping my father.
No. My son cannot do that. He's not mean.
Really? Your son is not mean. So killing my father and dumping him on the road like a dog, that's not mean, huh? Huh?
Mike.
Mike, release my father. I did not kill your father, Michael.
Please, don't do this to me.
Oh, Okunafugo. Anybody that knows Mike should tell Mike to release my father. You know, nigga, that's a warfare.
Please. Right, old man, to tell me what to do and what not to do.
Please. 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 Please.
Your death will be worse than that of my father.
I need to buy Mike. I need to get Mike now. Yes! Mike kidnapped my father. What? Mike sent his boys yesterday to my house and then kidnapped my father. Why would he do such a thing? Mike thought I was the one who killed the father. And then he kidnapped my father. No, now. Hey! Hey! Mike! Sandy! Look at my father! Hey! 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 Look at! Sandy! 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 Mike has killed my father! Jesus! Jesus! Oh! Mike has killed my father! Oh! Serious? Hey! 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 Let's take this video to the police. Police what? Police! Guy, calm down. Oh! This is my fight! My fight! No. Listen, calm down. This is our fight. Mike has a lot of enemy in his community. I will reach out to them. Just calm down. Guys, see, you guys should calm down. This is enough evidence to nail him. Everybody will die! Everybody will die! Everybody will die! Everybody will die!
Nwokwazina ndị n'obodo fa na-ekiri ya ka fim mana obodo bụrụ igwe na oga ise bube ya ka jim agbanye sinima ndị mmadụ na-ekiri ya ka fim ịma ka nsi kwado obi elewago m na this is what I will fight it to.
Guys, I want Mike dead. He messed up with my business the day he killed Obina. Obina was supposed to pay in my money from his account that very day he killed him.
Obina is my blood from another mother. Anyone that hurts him, hurt me.
Guys, I know say Mike don't wrong everybody with it here. Alright? I want to beg you, everybody especially, they're gonna leave Mike from me. Personally, na me go destroy him. And my sole responsibility to kill. Me, I go make Mike regret the day he was born. Mohabas.
Obina was my only brother, my blood brother. The most important thing is that Mike didn't live to see the next day. Gerard, since you requested, I'll let you kill him because he killed your father.
Let us go.
It is what it is.
Can't it wait till you come back? It's more important. It's about Mike's father.
What about Mike's father? Talk now. We have a task at hand.
I killed him. I killed Mike's father. Jesus. You what? I killed him. I don't know. I couldn't lay my hands on Mike, so I took someone he loves, just like he did to me. Yes. You killed Mike's father. Do you know that singular act made Mike to kill my father? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You are sorry and my father is gone? I never knew he would take it out on you like that. I'm sorry. What? Understand? I don't understand. I never knew Mike would go this far on you like that. I'm sorry. Anyway, we shall address this later. Let us go first. Let us handle this one first.
Yeah, hello. DPO. Yes, I need your men in my house right now. Yes, send some men. There's some assassins in my house. Yes, they're coming in right now, please. Send your men, send your men. Alright, thank you. Have this money. I'll give you the money, okay? Don't kill your mother now. Please. I'll give you this money. We're brothers.
Quiet! Sit on the floor.
We're brothers. We're brothers. I can still give you this money. It's not a problem. Right? Please.
Don't you think it is too late to beg after killing my father?
You started it, Gerald. You killed my father
I
first.
did not kill your father.
You did.
I did not.
I found my father's corpse on the road.
It was not me. I let your father go. I freed him. It was not me.
That wasn't me. You took my only brother away from me. You killed Obin, remember?
I'm sorry. It was a mistake. I'm sorry.
Look at this man. Why are you sorry? What are you sorry for? You're sorry for killing Obinna? Or sorry for killing my father? Or sorry for killing Sandra? Or you are sorry for taking my own money? Huh? Tell me why you're sorry. Listen, tell me why you are sorry before I cut you into pieces.
I said I'm sorry. It was the devil. Honestly, it was the devil. The devil put in those bad thoughts in my head. I'm sorry. It was the devil.
Michael, you stabbed me. You stabbed me. I am your brother, but you stabbed me.
I'm still your brother.
You are not my brother.
I'm still your brother.
You are not my brother. Michael, any change to zone those teach. As no matter what is one walk. Boy, my man, like I'm whining. Listen, normally if I can do okay with you, but you don't know all these things. You stabbed me. Stabbed me so deep. Gave me a wound that I don't know if it will be healed in this life. Right?
See, please. Guys, we are brothers, please. We'll always be brothers. Do not let the devil use you.
See? You tried again. But you allowed the devil use you. You allowed the devil use you. Tell me why I shouldn't allow the devil use me. Tell me why I shouldn't go on a roller coaster journey with the devil.
Please, brothers, I'm begging you. I said I still have your money I can give you. I'm sorry.
What are you sorry for? You are sorry. You're still sorry. Eh? Is it for killing Obinna?
You're sorry for killing Obinna. You're sorry for killing Sandra. You're sorry for killing my father. One man. Eh?
Please, I'm begging you. We can sort this out. That thing you are holding is fragile. Please, it's fragile. Just be careful. Guys, please.
Mike. Yeah! The beginning. Gerald, we need to leave here right now.
You and the boys should leave. Go before the police arrives.
I will not leave here until he's dead. Finish it or I will, Gerald.
Stanley, does this man look like who is still alive? You can go when you still have the opportunity to escape the police. I will be here. I will be here and enjoy watching him die. Go, you can go through the back door. Go, Stanley, go. Leave.
Drop your weapon. Go down. Go down. Go down. Like I told you. Drop it. Drop it. Officer, arrest him. Arrest him.
I'm sorry, bro. Please don't kill me.
Nne m na-azụta akara n'eke. Akara tụzi ya down, ju nkata, iburu akara bụ. Oyi nna m aka agwaghị abụọkwa n'ezigbo ọyị. I told you. Nne, ọkwa mma ijere amị gbuo na Second World War. Me and you, they find out, they chase the money, they buy log. Michael, you, they sub for me, and they sub for you when level red. I mean, they fry akara together, akara come down. You won't chop the akara, you know. How one man? And I still reminded you that second missionary John killed Momutak. You know, still listen to me. There's an package $100. See the hand way they use count $1. I don't cut up. Hand the don't work. Hand the don't deals from them. Let me do you this thing. But you first do me. Okay? They know they wear watch for leg. Person wey build prison and person wey build church na the same mentality na correctional center.
Please don't kill me. Don't kill me, please. Don't kill me. I'm sorry, Gerald. I'm sorry.
It is too late now. Don't be a KTN and pen will not pass where court don't court. Even when our bookie fixed, I mean, no would be the same. You know, Philip, she make me do
do this to you? Mike. Well, I hate it anyway. I don't know where you can be. Wasn't tired, no rent. Freeze! Where's out on?
Hey, somebody help me. Hey yo, somebody help me. I'm losing control. Somebody help me. Hey, somebody help me. Oh, well, I'm the nobody. Finally, I catch him. What was the ending of the Fane Kiriaka film? Manobodo Bully when no guy say Bubeka Jim. Abanya Sini Mande Mada Nekiliaka film. A man can see what up. This is what I will fight it to the end of. I will run into anybody who will block my way. As you see me at the vessel, somebody hold me up. I don't lose the control. My heart is broken. Then on your ball. Somebody hold me up. I am losing it. Oh, be a power man. Then on your ball. Hey, this is what. This is what. Hey, I the vessel. Is the Monaya Sachunan no one more Kukwana. Joy, can I come out? Oh, well, and the nobody, finally, I catch him. What was the ending of the Fane Kiriaka film? Manobodo Bully when no guy say Bubeka Jim. Abanya Sini Mande Mada Nekiliaka film. A man can see what up. This is what